Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tori no Isobe Age. Isobe Age literally means oceanside fries. So it's chicken but it's wrapped with nori seaweed. Very easy and quick to make but it's so flavorful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Tori no Isobe Age, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 8 chicken tenderloin. Chicken breast is also good. 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and sake and some grated ginger. I keep it frozen, so it's still frozen. If you want to know how I keep it, here is the link for the video. Some nori seaweed and about half a cup of potato starch or cornstarch. At first, I'm going to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Let's remove this tendon first. This is very tough and chewy. Grab it with kitchen paper, put the fork like this and pull. And you can easily remove it like this. Then cut it into 2 to 3 pieces. Put ginger, sake, and soy sauce. Mix it well. And let it sit for 10 minutes. The chicken is ready, so let's wrap it with nori seaweed. 2 to 3 nori seaweed together. Fold it into half. Fold it backwards. And cut. Put them together. Fold it into half. Fold it backwards and cut. One more time. Put them together. Fold it backwards and cut. Wrap the chicken with nori seaweed. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium-high heat. I'm using induction heater and it's 6 out of 7. And put the chicken into the oil as it does them with the starch. And fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. Looks good, so let's take them out. And Tori no Isobe Age is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Because it's marinated in soy sauce and sake, it's so tender and moist and it's very well seasoned. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Tori no Isobe Age is the main, so it goes here. And the main is deep fried, so let's go healthy for the other dishes. Hijiki salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other one. Plain rice here and lettuce miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!